Listen to that dial tone harmony coming off these hardphones I got. Folks, I got a real new kick-ass tip of the week for you this week. Working on a project where we're deploying UCaaS, going through who's going to get a soft phone, who's going to get a hard phone. One member of the team, of the customer, said, well, what's a soft phone? I said, well, a soft phone is something that's not tied. It's not a hard desk phone like this. These are only for making and receiving phone calls. Soft phone, by definition, I got it over here. A soft phone is a software program for making calls over the internet using any device rather than dedicated hardware. They said, well, what would you do? I said, well, I don't want it. Take, for example, when you went to the movies and they tried to sell you this jumbo drink of 8 extra ounces of cherry Coca-Cola for 25 cents. I don't want it. I don't need that much organization in my life. I don't need other people thinking for me. I want the soft phone. I don't want a 12-pound Nestle Crunch for $25. I want more soft phones in this world. So, anyways, let me calm back down. I get a little fired up here. This is a soft phone. Here's my contacts integrated from any device. I can work secure remote from anywhere. Here's a soft phone. Here's a soft phone. I think it was really helpful to say, hey, you know what? I can put that on any device and connect with any device. We're not going to pay an extra $300 for these phones to collect dust. I can now be more productive with a soft phone. It is included with most UCaaS carriers, mobile. Think about soft phones when you're deploying your next UCaaS. Adios or goodbye, and we'll see you next week.